It's time now for our market monitor, who has stock picks he says you'll want to own in your portfolio for the next 3 to 5 years. The last time he was on, back in December, he recommended First Republic Bank, which is up 11%, Disney, which is up 3%, and MGM is 11% higher. Joining us is Ross Gerber, President and CEO of Gerber Kawasaki. Welcome back, Ross. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you, too.
Let's start with MGM. You still hold it. You recommended it before, and you are extremely focused on Vegas and MGM specifically.
Yeah, it's an amazing time to be in Las Vegas. I mean, with the Mayweather-McGregor fight coming, it's going to be the biggest fight of all time. You know, rooms are sold out, and the highest ticket prices are like $50,000 for ringside seats. So that's one catalyst on the short term. But on the longer term, with sports coming into Las Vegas, with the Golden Knights hockey team, and as well as the Raiders coming in the next few years, it also adds a lot of construction into the mix, which also helps the economy for the locals as well. So we've got a confluence of events on top of now Las Vegas legalizing marijuana, which also brings a lot more tourism in as well. So there's a lot of good things happening in Las Vegas.
All right. Well, the stock, as we've noted, has had a really good run recently. Activision, you say you can't underestimate the momentum in gaming now and esports.
Right. This is like the new biggest thing since the X Games and what I would call alternative sports. You know, the kids today are all playing video games, and now it's, you know, legitimate leagues and for big money. And Activision's been able to sell its first Overwatch league with $30 million for a franchise. You know, this is an incredible amount of money for an untested idea, but the viewership on esports is off the charts on the streaming sites. But on top of the fact, their model is just working by focusing on really good games, as well as massive multiplayer ongoing games at Blizzard, and now mobile games at King. They've just got the entire gaming world cornered right now.
I've got 30 seconds to go through the lower cost ETF for emerging markets, IEMG.
Yes, it's a lower cost way to play the EEM. We love the emerging markets right now. They've underperformed over the last 10 years. We expect it to outperform over the next 5 to 10 years. It's a great play on China, and you get Tencent and Samsung as top holdings, which are also just wonderful investments at this time. So we really like China right now.
Ross, have a great weekend. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Ross Gerber with Gerber Kawasaki.